guys, it's Bethany. I have Lavender here with me today, and this is a special unboxing. First of all, a disclaimer, my son is in the background playing on his computer. If you hear a bunch of clickety-clackety, that's him. So in this package is a bit of mail from Ashley from Crafts with Crashley and Kerwin. This is a purchase I made from their Etsy shop shortly after the Great Lakes retreat that I went on. However, I purposely have not opened this yet, and it has been hard because I do have some rivets to get in here and I really want to try it out. So I'm really excited to get into that, but I purposely haven't opened this yet because in here is a special present for Lavender. Miss Lavender's birthday is November 14th, and so I wanted her to unbox this with me, and I wanted it to be close to her birthday as possible. So we are going to do it.
Tomorrow's my birthday.
Yeah, today at the time of this recording, November 13th, tomorrow is her birthday. So Lav, let's get into it. Go ahead and open up the washcloth that I have sitting there on top. Okay, so in here we have a card. We will get into that. We have, it looks like she included some release paper samples. This is instructions for the rivet stick it. I will read that when I get into that. Looks like there is this really cute washi tape. It has citruses, which I love, so thank you for that. And the rivet stick it along with Lavender's present, and everything is kind of smushed in here because it has been in a package for several months. I'm gonna start by opening this card. I know you're eager. I know you're really eager. Lavender's really eager to see this, but we gotta look. It's a Hallmark card and everything. You'd think it was my birthday.
Your birthday passed already.
Yeah, if it was my birthday a few weeks ago. It says thank you. Whoa, there's stuff in here.
What is it?
Okay, so first of all, it says, Bethany, thank you so much for your order. I hope you enjoy our brand new rivet stick it diamond painting putty. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Make sure to check your email for future discounts. Happy diamond painting, Crashley. I love that. Thank you. So inside we have some stickers. We also have whoops. I'm dropping.
I was just about to tell you there was a sticker.
I'm dropping stickers everywhere. This is their business card. It has all of their social media information. I'm going to link most of this in the description box down below for easy access for you guys. On the back has some more cool stuff. I definitely recommend checking them out. They're wonderful people. So the first sticker is this cute little black dragon in a bottle.
Aww.
A whale that says be happy. I like this. This is some pretty little sunflowers and a cactus.
A cute little tiny cactus.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm not gonna open.
Okay, let's see. Well, first, I want to look at the release papers. So these are ones, this is really cool because I've been wanting to get some of the release papers, but I, haven't been able to. So this will be neat to be able to sample it. So it has, on their release papers, they have various designs now. I think at the time of this, they had just been starting out with that, but if you follow them whatsoever, you'll see that that's quite a sensation these days. So I have 4 cute little release papers, and with their logo on the back, and that can be decorated with stickers or whatever. Now it is time. Go ahead and open that up. See if you can. Nope. Remember how I taught you how to open the ends? Pull the ends. There you go.
That's so easy.
It's so much easier than pulling the loops through, huh? Lavender started wrestling a couple weeks ago, and she's been working on tying her shoes and untying her shoes. And now that, right, you have to hold it into the camera. That right there, that's the one for you. Now on here, I'll let you get into your present in just a minute, I promise. So on here, I got 4 different ones. They have them, oh, wow. They have magnets on the bottom, so they are like a cover minder, which is really awesome. I didn't know that they did that. So, whoops. That's funny. So they have them hooked up on here. You have the green, unscented, a bubble gum, sand and sea, and cherry blossom, which is the one I'm most excited to try. So they come in these cute little diamond-shaped containers. They have a little frog paw print sticker on the top, and you have your ribbit stick-it in the middle. Now I'll get more into that after I let Lavender go ahead and open her thing. That is for you, Miss Lavender. Happy birthday.
Yes! Look at this diamond painting pin. Gold and silver.
Yeah, that's really pretty here. It's not quite in focus. There we go. What's that say?
Lavender!
That has your name on it! How cool is that?
I love it.
Gold and silver.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you have a cute little box to keep it in. That's really nice. So during the retreat, Crashley made all of us that went to the retreat these pins. I really loved mine. I thought, I want to get Lavender something special. So that's what I got her. Now she has her very own, very special diamond painting pin.
And I've been waiting all the time. Wait, you're stepping.
Oh, wait. What? Wait a minute.
Give it. It's
This
mine.
is a cover binder.
Not it.
How funny is that?
That's awesome. I thought it was just glued on there. That is extra special. Thank you so much, Crashley.
Wait, what is this?
You know what?
What is this?
It's a box.
No.
No,
What's
it
on the bottom?
Stop.
No.
Don't rip it apart. It's just a foam and a piece of paper that all
I thought it was
that all the things are
I
stuck
thought
on.
it was a card.
No. So this special cover minder you can have as your own cover minder if you like. I'm going to go ahead and take these out.
Hey, those are mine.
No, these are mine.
What? Why was it in my box though?
Because it was all in one box. Okay, I'm missing a magnet. Let me track that down. It's probably on the back of one of these. No?
I see it.
Oh, it was on the front of one of those. Okay.
Where is it?
Hand me the magnet, please.
Okay.
Stop goofing around. Silly. Okay, so you can keep this box. You can keep your magnet in there. Your cover minder. You can keep your pretty pin in there. You can keep the lid. You can keep all your stuff nice. If you have any other diamond painting stuff, you can put it in there.
I can have these stickers.
So, before I finish this, we will discuss that later. Before I finish this video, I want to go over the ribbit stick-it instructions for you guys. It says 1, to pinch a small amount of ribbit stick-it off the ball and roll between your fingers to form a small ball to go in a single placer or a thin line to go in a multi-placer. Do you want me to go ahead and put some of this into your pin? Or do you want to leave it empty?
Some of what?
This is diamond painting putty. It's like wax, but a little bit different. Do you want me to put some in yours so I can show them how to do this?
Sure.
So you have cherry blossom, sand and sea, bubblegum, or unscented.
Bubblegum.
Of course. So we're going to go ahead and actually show you how to do this.
I love it.
So
I love this painting pen.
this is really pretty. She did a great job on this. I love it. I kind of want to use it. It's so pretty.
No.
These little animal prints here are holographic. They have a slight pink and blue coloration when you're turning it. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera very well, but let me tell you, it's really cool. And because it's over the top, it's almost like it has this three-dimensional type of look to it, because you can almost see underneath it, although you can't. It's hard to describe, but it's cool. Okay, do you want me to fill up your multi-placer or the single placer?
Single placer.
Okay, so it says pinch a small amount and roll it between your fingers. Ooh, it smells good. Smell it.
Mmm.
Yeah.
It smells like candy.
Yeah, it does. So we are pinching a very small amount because, whoa.
Very small amount.
Look, it's like bubble gum.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure all of them are
show
like
it to
that.
the camera.
I did.
Or should it say viewers?
Okay, guys, keep in mind this is the first time I've used this, so I am inexperienced. Okay, then it says to firmly place it into the placer. Pick up some drills, placing down evenly to distribute the rivet. Stick it through the placer. So I think, oh, maybe I picked up a too small amount. I think I did. I was being so careful about making it small that it's not even fitting in there. I don't know if that. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh, almost. It wants to focus, but it doesn't. See how much empty space I have in there? That's just silliness. Okay. We're going to pinch off a little bit more. And when it says pinch, it means pinch because it's just stringy like melted cheese. Okay, now I probably have too much, but that is how it goes, isn't it? Oh my goodness. All right, let's. Oh, they're playing with their magnets. 3, remove the drills from each placer by hand. Remove any excess rivet sticket that's squished outside the tips and back into the ball of the rivet sticket in its container for enjoy diamond painting. It has a note here that if it gets stuck, gets in the drill field of your diamond painting, to remove as much as possible with tweezers. Remainder left on drill field will not impact the adhesive. Drills will still stick. All right, awesome.
Look, Mom. Mm.
It works on the top of it too. Is that what you're showing me?
Yeah. Oh no.
All right, I just about got that focus placed in there. There's a little bit excess. I don't know why my camera is really not wanting to focus today. It's just so distracted by the glittery beauty, I guess. So, you know, basically, I think there's a few different ways you can do it. Like, as for me, I'm just pulling the excess off right now. And that just sticks up there. You can see it there on my finger, the excess. And then if you want to get any excess further, you can squish it on something flat. You can put it on the drills because, you know, diamond drills are kind of rounded at the top, whether you're using rounds or squares. So once you start using this, it'll start to press out the sides. And I think that's why the instructions say to press down on it, get the excess out, and then you can keep diamond painting. So that one is good to go, Miss Lavender.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's, you know, sorry for kind of the random scattered video, but that is what it is today, because I wanted to get that special present for Lavender to open. And yeah, that's what we have for you today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you next time.
Bye.